everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create readme file for project of machine learning data analysis job market. First of all, I'm going to run this project. So streamlit run app.py. Just wait for a few more seconds. So this is the machine learning project, which is data analyst job market analysis and salary prediction using a perfect database. So here you will be getting ED analysis and salary prediction and conclusion as the module. This is a streamlined machine learning based project where you can find job market in the job. You will be performing analysis operations for this dashboard. Initially you will be performing with the ED operation, then you will be getting the streamlined integration. Please check out the code and details within my GitHub account. So here, once you run this, you will be getting like this. After this, I have pushed my code to GitHub as data analyst job market. So this is my GitHub code, you can refer here. So for this job market analysis, I'm going to write readme file. For this, go to ChatGPT and provide all the complete details of your project. It will provide a readme file. Just copy the readme file, then paste into this. Once you paste it, just give commit changes and give whatever the commit message you have, and you have any extended description, just give here and click commit changes. Once it's committed, it will show you the preview. Once if you check it is correct, then go to your project repository. Here you can find this. So this is how you are going to create readme file for a specific GitHub project. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.